country people, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time. You know, say na different kind of globe now we get. Some people don dey morning now, some people dey afternoon, some dey night sef. I greet you according to your time. I don bring ogbonge update for una. I know say this petition e start on Monday, so they come adjust am to today wey be 10th of May. So if they get updates, just lis ten. Abeg, obedient worldwide, abeg help me shatterlize this video. Shatterlize, make you react to then share am. They come comment. I don't want to talk too much. We will watch the video together. How they say they arrange and everything. Peter already they cut like this, so as we talk. Make I just we'll watch them together.
Respect.
Afternoon, thank you.
So, sir, can we get your reaction to today's proceedings and the fact that you also tried to move to an application where you want the proceedings to be televised live?
Yes.
So, can you tell us more about that?
Yes, happily, the pre-hearing session has commenced in the article PDP petition. All the necessary preliminary issues have been dealt with, and we also brought up the issue of the motion on notice which we filed and which we served on all the parties in the case. And that is the motion for the live televising of the proceedings in this case, because we consider these proceedings very, very critical and important to the nation, one in which every Nigerian is a stakeholder. So this motion will come up perhaps on a Thursday when this matter is adjourned to. It's been expected that the other parties will file their responses so that the court will take a decision on it. So we are coming back on Thursday. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh.
Yeah, please.